What did they do to this poor ferry? What are they doing? Why is it that color? These two dummies who own this thing are a bunch of morons. They really are. They are ruining history. The last ferry boat of the Kennedy class. Like, what is going on? Oh my goodness, looks like there's something on there too. Like, they're covering this up on purpose. Whoa, don't tell me they sprayed the windows. Oh my God. So I'm driving by and, this definitely catches my attention. Really? Now it's an advertisement? Is this thing like pink? What the heck is going on? What the heck is that thing there too on the bottom? Wow. Looks like all the windows have been boarded up or something with metal. Yeah, they're purposely covering the new signage. Wow, why would you do this to this poor boat? Yeah, it's getting ready to be docked or something because look at those things that they welded to the sides. I know these two idiots wanted to make a club or something, but what the hell? I don't know. Why ruin this history? This should be the Staten Island Ferry Museum. Yeah, something's up. All the wording's there. It's such a big deal that, they're trying to conceal it. What's there to conceal, really? Unfortunately, all these boats have met their demise. This one will too. I feel it. I really do. It's a real shame. I wonder what it cost to paint this thing. Must have been ridiculous. Yeah, they're doing it right now too because there's workers there. I mean, I just passed this the other day and nothing was like this, so